A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video and helping us live creatively to the fullest. So today we have an exciting video. We are going to be walking around, meeting strangers, and drawing their portrait if they'll allow me. And I guess we just have to get started. So we made it to New York City. We are in Grand Central right now and are about to start a new drawing series, which is drawing portraits of strangers. So basically today, the mission is to walk around, meet new people, see if they'll let me draw their portrait, and fingers crossed it goes well and I draw well and it actually looks like the people. But it's very exciting, and my younger brother David is with us filming today. So it's his first day filming and I feel like I'm out of my comfort zone. So everybody is really pushing themselves today and I'm really excited. So fingers crossed we can survive the cold and walk around the city and have a good day. And I didn't catch your name.
Felipe.
Felipe, I'm Dana. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Dana.
Okay, so today we're going to be drawing your portrait. This shouldn't take very long, and fingers crossed it looks like you at the end.
I'm pretty sure it might.
I've only done like drawing portraits of strangers once before, and it's like, it's so different drawing a portrait in real life than it is doing it from a picture. If you draw from like a flattened image, the lines are so much easier to see.
Wait for the wind, wait for the night. Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt.
Take a picture of this?
Yeah, of course.
Awesome.
And how do you spell your name, Philippe?
F-E-L-I-P. One of my nicknames is Flip.
Flip? I love that.
That's great. Yeah.
We're all beginners together.
Under the palm trees in the California sun.
I'm trying. She's trying.
Sand underneath our feet. Morning's just begun.
How do you spell your name? Wild Bee Rome. It's not quite you. Yeah, please. This is Leia. Thank you very much. All the way from California, here in the city. Alright, so we just finished up at Grand Central. I got 2 portraits in, which was really fun, and only 1 no, which is crazy. I asked 3 people, 2 of them said yes. So far, New York is a win and very friendly. Now we're gonna go to the public library, and hopefully there'll be somebody there who has some time on their hands and they'll let me draw them maybe while they study or something like that, or read a book. So let's go this way. So we made it to New York Library, and I feel like there's like some people sitting outside, so like that could be an option, but I feel like we should just check inside, see if that's good first. We're all good.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet.
It was fun.
Good.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, take care.
Yeah.
What's left of me?
I'm not like a professional artist.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just a hobby.
Yeah.
You can chill and watch your phone or listen to something if you want. That's, yeah.
I don't want to yell.
Yeah.
Time has been so hard on us, my friend. Sun goes down, but we get back again. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up breaking. But everything still works out in the end. No matter what they call it, no matter what we want it.
Hey, that was really fun. Thank you so much. That was really like good. That's one of my favorite ones. That was so fun. Hey, comment here something so we can find you
Oh,
too.
okay, sure.
Yeah. Thank
Thanks.
you, really. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
yeah.
That was great. Wow. So we've been Grand Central, the New York Public Library, and Bryant Park, and I feel like we have lucked out so much. I have asked 6 people to do this, and 5 of them have said yes. And the first person who said no was literally like a beautiful older woman. And when I said that we could do this on YouTube, she was like, I really don't want to be on YouTube, but I'm so proud of you and like have a wonderful day. I hope people say yes. And everyone else has been so kind and amazing. And that was one of my favorite portraits. I feel like it was like so calm. We had just had a tea break. I recovered my confidence because it's hard. It's like they're not like turning out as well as I had hoped. And I think it's just so much harder to draw from life and in like a situation like this than drawing at home from like a photo on Google. It's like, then I'm like, oh my gosh, I can really make it look like the person. And here I'm just like, I just hope it looks like a person, like literally a human. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. I don't know if I want to do another one. That was 5. I think we're gonna call it. That was a really exciting day. Maybe let's just go like watch the figure skaters go around Bryant Park. A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video and helping us with the launch of our online store. We can't believe the response we've gotten to our new ebook, Live Creatively. And that's all thanks to the Squarespace all-in-one platform, simple checkout process, and secure payments. So if you'd like to set up your own little website, test out their free trial, and when you're ready, go to squarespace.com/wildweroom for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
Got that? Yeah.